Hello children, we are doing the video or the lesson adjectives, isn't it? Now in this adjectives, you have already done two videos, and in the first video we saw what is an adjective and the position of an adjective. Now how many types of adjectives are there? There are 6 types, 6 kinds of adjectives, and we have discussed till the fourth one, that is demonstrative adjective, isn't it? We have adjective of quality, we have adjective of quantity, we have adjective of number, we have demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives and possessive adjectives. So we have done till demonstrative adjectives. Today we'll continue with the next adjective, that is interrogative adjective. The word interrogative means generally asking questions, isn't it? So interrogative adjectives generally ask questions and the sentence ends with a question mark. You know what is a question mark, right? So the sentence ends with a question mark. So here, these adjectives are used along with nouns. They are used with nouns to ask questions, children. Let's see some examples. Whose books are lying here? Which is a noun here, children? This is the noun. Which word is describing the noun? About which books are you talking? Whose books? You want to know whose books these are, isn't it? So the word whose is an adjective. Okay. The second one, which shoes are you planning to buy? There are many shoes, but you want to know which one you are going to buy. So the word shoes, this is the noun, and the interrogative adjective is which. The word which, shoes, which shoes? You want to know the which one it is. So which is the interrogative adjective. And what work can be given to you? The word here work is a noun, and you want to know which work or what type of work a person can do. So this is an interrogative adjective. So interrogative adjectives are generally used with nouns to ask questions. Okay. Now we come to the next type of adjective, that is possessive adjectives. Possessive means it shows possession or belongingness. For example, this pen is mine. My pen is this. My, the word my is possessive adjective. It shows your belongingness, your possession. Okay. A possessive adjective shows possession or belongings. It shows possession or belongings. Okay. They answer the question whose. Whose pen is this? My pen. Whose book is this? My book. Okay. A house is being renovated. So this is the noun here. About which house are you talking? Whose house are you talking here? A house. So this is the adjective. This is the possessive adjective. The teacher is correcting your book. So there are two nouns. Teacher is a noun and book is also a noun. But which book you want to know? Whose book? So the word your is the adjective here. And this is the noun. Is it clear, children? The next one, the child has hurt his leg. Whose leg did he hurt? He has hurt his leg. So the word his, this is the adjective. And this is the noun. Okay. The factory owners did not pay their workers. So the factory owners, which workers did not pay? Whose workers did not pay? They did not pay their workers. So this is the adjective. Okay, children, and this is the noun which it is describing. The word there refers to the worker. The factory owners. Whose workers? Factory owners' workers. Okay, whose workers are these? Whose workers are these? Factory owners. They did not pay their workers. That means the factory owners' workers. Okay. Now, the next one is possessive adjectives are of two types, singular and plural. You might have studied about this in pronoun also. Now, when you use the first person, the singular word is mine. You can say, this is my book. Okay, so the word my is used when it is singular. If it is plural, you can say, these are our books. So when plural comes, you use the word our. Okay, in singular, the word is mine. The same way for second person, you use the word your. Okay, for example, where is your shoe? Where are your shoes? The word is same. Where is your shoe? or where are your shoes? So the word your is only coming. So the word is your for second person. And for third person you can use his, her or it. For example, his book, that is singular, isn't it? His book, her book. These both are singular, and in plural you can use their. Singular is his, her or its, and it is their books. For plural it is their. The word is their books. You might have done this in the lower classes, but you should remember in first person my is singular, plural is our. Second person the word singular is your, plural is also your. And in third person his, her and its, this is singular and plural it is their. Is it clear, children? Now you have to do exercise C and exercise D from your book. Okay. So exercise C and D has to be done. Textbook exercise C and D has to be done. C and D you have to do it. Now example exercise C, I have solved some sum. First and second one, if you look into your book on page number 30. Page number 30 it's given. First one, Megha is wearing your earrings. You have to differentiate between demonstrative, interrogative or possessive adjective. Megha is wearing your earrings. Whose earring? Your earrings. Okay. So this becomes, so the word this is, what does it become, children? Your earrings. So it is possessive adjective. What kind of adjective? It is possessive adjectives. Is it clear? Second one, I could not answer this question. Which question you couldn't answer? This question. So this is demonstrative adjectives. So this is demonstrative adjective. Is it clear, children? So the first two questions I have done. Your is possessive and this, the word this is demonstrative adjectives. In the same way, in exercise D, the questions they have asked you what kind of adjectives you have to fill. Look into your books, children. Fill in the blanks with the type of adjectives mentioned in the brackets. The first one has been done for you. So the first one is already done. So I am doing the second one, not the first one. Second one I am doing. The dash students received award in the school. They want an adjective of number. You can write 5 students. Any number you can write. 5 students, 10 students, 2 students. It is students, plural. So you have to write more than one. Okay? Or a few students, many students. You can use such word. Next one is please return dash books to me. The word is books, plural. And you have to write demonstrative adjective. So you can write please return those books to me. You cannot write that because it is singular. It is books. Whenever the word books comes, it is plural. Please return those books to me. Is it clear, children? So here I have given 2 examples from exercise C and exercise D. You have to write both. Any doubt you have, you can clarify that in the live class. Is it clear, children? Thank you, children.